BuZzTeKh. My name is Osman and this is
Lukman.
And here we have the new PS5 controller. So what do you think of this, mate?
Right, this is one of the first UK unboxing of the PS5 pad. DUALSENSE. What a pad eh?
Looks nice.
Looks nice, but can't wait to open it.
We're gonna crack it open.
Oh yes, come prepared, have you?
That's it with it.
That's it.
Let's crack it.
All mine, yeah?
So it's white. You have to lift this one up.
It's not even lifted up. It's not even lifted up, have you got it?
Yeah, come on, mate.
You try it, mate. Yeah, it's got that tape on, mate.
Another tape on. Try that again.
That's it. There you go. There you go. Right, which way is it? Let's check this way. Oh, okay, so it's not visible yet. Let's check it. So that's another box. Let's throw that away. Before we throw that away, let's see what it is, yeah? So the new PS5 pad, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers.
Built-in microphone. We no longer need a separate microphone.
Yep, and signature comfort.
Don't know what that is.
You don't know what that is? No. Right, I'll explain that to you in a bit. Can you see how it's shaped?
Yeah.
That's what it means by that.
Right.
Right, okay. Right, guys, this is the moment everyone's been waiting for in UK. Look at that colour, it looks
Grey, so it's not white.
white there.
So it's like
Remember-
grey. I don't know if you can make this out on camera, but
Look, so it's white there.
it's actually a light grey, I'd say.
Remember PlayStation 1?
Light grey and black, yeah.
That's the colour.
So they've gone back to the old colours.
Yes, but it's got a two-tone one now, so all the pads have been all one colour since PlayStation have launched.
Yeah, I've got a PS4.
Yeah, get your PS4 pad out. Oh my god, this feels sick. Right, can you see them?
Sure I can.
Right, I'm gonna put it here and he's gonna zoom in.
Textured grip.
Yeah, so watch when he zooms in, you can see the square, triangle, X and circle.
Square triangle.
engraved
What do you mean in the grip
the
itself?
pad. Yeah, so where the colour is, you know that grip? You've had a feel
Oh
of
wow, so they've actually textured it with
yeah, so it's got
circle,
texture
X,
yeah, at
square
the
and
back of the
triangle.
pad. Yeah.
pick that up. Because my eyes can't pick that up from here.
Unless he picks you up like this. Them textures there. Can you see them? Look, I can see it from here. Look, can you see it? Come here. Look where the flash is. Look, can you see them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look, see that?
So they've textured it, guys, with
Yeah, look all
square
the way.
X's and triangles
Just on the grip pads.
on the grip area.
Get your PS4.
along
Look,
here.
get your PS4 pad. Yeah, look all the way. Look at this. Look, the PlayStation button has changed now as well.
Oh yeah.
It's got a microphone built in this time, and the main thing about the PS5 pad is the haptic feedback adaptive triggers.
Right. What does that mean?
So basically, what this haptic feedback does is, say for example you're playing a game, like your player gets tired, this will put pressure on, so it'll be hard for you to press it as your player's tired and running.
Oh right.
Yeah, so like Call of Duty, every gun you will have, Well, depending
So
on the
originally,
trigger.
I thought they were before it came out and before I'd seen it. I thought they got rid of the buttons. I thought
That's
it
what
was
I thought.
a
'cause
touch. I thought it was
yeah.
a touch. But they've actually got buttons, the same type of button that is on the old PS4 pad.
Apart from the colour.
Exactly the same.
Except,
Physically, they feel the same.
except
Even the
the
joystick.
signature move now. Look, they've got rid of the colours of
Yeah, they look different. They've got rid of the colours
because that was their
of
signature.
of the pad. But the feel, as in button wise,
and
feels
the
same.
touchpad has expanded. Look.
they've got a larger touchpad.
Yeah, and now it doesn't have that light, as you can see on your PS4.
Oh yeah.
See that? So now in this touchpad, that sensor is built in.
So what sensor is that?
This sensor, so basically on a game,
Yeah.
when you go like that,
Right.
thing, that's all built in this touchpad now.
Oh.
Yeah, so they didn't need it, and as you can see, it's bigger now, curvier. Also, if you can zoom in, if you can just bring it closer here. It says share there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
On the PS4. Now that's a create button.
A crate.
Yeah, so that's a create mode now. So instead of you sharing, you can edit everything on that button. That button, and you just upload it like that.
Straight off the PlayStation.
Thingy. And now the option button, as you can see, has changed as well. It's got 3 bars now.
What's that?
So that's the option button. That's the start and pause.
Can I just get a feel of it in my hands? I just want to
Yes,
see how
you
it
can.
feels.
There you go, and check the adaptive triggers
It's
out.
got a nice weight to it.
Yeah.
It's got a really nice weight to it. It feels it's actually larger than the old pad, and the fact that the texture of it, with the X's, the triangles, you can. If I do that to the PS4, you see it's smooth.
Yeah. And also another thing that's changed is every PS4 pads or PS Sony pads that have come out, they've been one colour. This is the first time ever Sony has integrated 2 colours at once.
So they've always been one colour.
Always one colour. Look at it.
Oh yeah.
So now it looks,
2 colours.
it's got a texture. It looks like, and I've got a surprise coming for you guys. We're gonna start the pad, even though we don't have the PlayStation 5, but we're gonna show you how it looks at night. And before we get there, one thing we forgot to mention is with the microphone. Now it has a mute button.
Oh, is that the mute button?
Yes. So now when you're in the party, if you don't want your friends to hear you, you can press that button. It's got 2 speakers, one there and one there.
Oh wow! I saw a hole at the back as well. What's that?
Yeah, that's a headphone jack.
Underneath.
That's the headphone jack, and that.
Right there. Look.
Oh, that.
Is another mic.
No, that might be the reset button. You know, the one you reset the pad with the needle.
Yeah.
Basically, if your pad crashes, you press that, and the pad resets. And another thing is, if you can come, right, check the charger out on the PS4.
Oh yeah. they've
PS4 pad, it was a USB Type B. Now it's a Type C charger. So now that charger, your phone
Charge
charger can
faster
fit in
as well.
here.
Oh, you could.
So your phone that you're charging your pad, the charger you're charging your phone with,
Yeah.
USB-C, now fits in here.
You can charge fast as well.
Yeah.
Are you able to fast charge it?
I don't know, but it should last you about 2 days. And now the surprise is, I'm gonna turn the lights off and see how this bad boy starts up.
I'll do it for you.
PlayStation. I bet you can't wait, can you?
Dual light.
Oh,
This has
look
got
at
a light all the way around
all the way
except at
around
the top.
now. Yeah,
of the touchpad.
yeah. See that?
And that's obviously probably going to change multicolour light. So it's at the top now and not at the bottom.
Nope.
So
So,
there is-
everything, all the lights, everything sensor fitted in the touchpad.
Can you press it there?
Yep. Press that PS button. There you go.
So it cuts off at the top.
Yeah. So what do you think?
To be honest, I like it.
I like it. I think it's better than, you know, at least it.
I like the feel, like I feel it's behind, it feels, say, slightly heavier,
I can't wait.
bigger. It feels sturdier, and can't wait to give it some punishment.
Can't wait to try it out on Astro game. They're saying when you walk on sun, it feels like sun. When you're on ice, it feels like freezing.
So yeah, so about that, what is it? Haptic feedback.
Haptic feedback.
What does that actually mean? So
basically, if you're in a game and you're on
so
ice.
you said the trigger ones have it.
Yeah, that's adaptive triggers.
Adaptive triggers.
DualSense is you can sense what your character is doing. So if he's on ice, you can actually sense it that he's slipping.
Oh wow!
Oh,
I wonder
yeah.
how they do that.
So that's in the game. It tells you. So like on the game, if you're jumping, how hard the jump is. Your adaptive triggers are going to be that so pressure it's going to be hard for you to pull down on them.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why on a Call of Duty I can't wait to try that out because every game,
So whereas on the PS4 the buttons are always
all
the same.
You can't tell.
It's just a
tell.
button.
Yeah, you can't tell.
Whereas on this they've
adapted to the real life gameplay, how the character will feel in the game, and you can feel
So
it.
what you're saying is, if a player's tired, and let's say you're throwing a basketball and you're tired, you'd have to press the button harder.
Yeah.
Than
So
you
that
would do when
adaptive
it's not.
trigger will become harder for you automatically.
Oh, wow.
Automatically.
That's going to be something to try out.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So the main thing about the PS5 pad, the selling point is the haptic feedback and the DualSense.
Guys, so let us know what you think. Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and hopefully making some good videos.
Yeah, I think this is our first unboxing video, and soon it's just days
Sorry
away.
about the rubbish content.
It's just 2-3 days away. PS5 is coming out. We're doing the first UK unboxing PS5. So guys, make sure you watch that.